And hi, today we're in Bydgoszcz, and Amelia here is a resident, so she's going to tell you one or two words. And we're with our friend here, Mr. Zygmunt Mackiewicz, who is some kind of professor and doctor and scientist.
Surgeon.
And surgeon. And now, tell us something about Bydgoszcz that you like.
That I like.
What about it?
All foreigners call it Bydgoszcz, which it's a mix of the word Bydgoszcz and ugly, because it's known for being ugly.
Okay.
And the only museum we have, if you look it up, is the Museum of Dirt.
No.
Yes.
What is in it?
Soap.
Really? Okay, so let's go take a look at just some of the sites. Who is this, Mela? I always like to take pictures with statues.
There's many here.
There's a lot of them, yeah? Cute. This is a famous hotel, right?
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
How so?
Well, just like a Zabitka, like you
I
said.
didn't know we have anything.
Yeah. Hotel Pod Orwell. Hotel Pod Orwell.
No, it's because it's an old thing, so they can call it.
Oh.
It's on an old building.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Yeah.
They have like a really big hotel.
They give free samples of Coke here. I've never seen such a tiny can before.
Is it 100 milliliters or 50? It's 100.
It's like a shot.
150.
150. Oh, look at this. Now, do you know the name of this river that's the
Brda.
Bydgoszcz? What?
Brda.
Okay.
BRDA.
BRDA.
Brda. Here's my library.
Where?
There.
Okay.
And there's the new monument.
Oh, wow. This huge thing?
Yep.
Wow. This is the Old Town Square, right?
Yep.
And it's to the victims of fascism, yes?
You can tell by all the more
You can tell by the word fascism. And there will be the cathedral.
The church is over there.
Cathedral.
Cathedral. You said it's the only Zabitic in like officially, right?
Yeah.
Here?
Pomarańczowe.
No. We're looking for French fries, right? Here, Frytki Belsky. This is the best in town.
I think so. Hang up.
Right, so how much does that? 16 zloty. It looks kind of appetizing. It's crunchy. I think we should dig in. Sit down somewhere. Okay, so Mela, can you translate this for me? This name?
Museum of Soap and History of Dirt.
So it's not a dirt museum. It's the history of cleaning dirt. They have a soap museum. That's what it is.
There's the thing, the entrance.
Oh wow!
There.
And look, they sell vinyl. Oh, but there's some kind of canal here, yeah? Oh, this is very picturesque.
We put our box there on the bridge there. We can pass there because we're going somewhere there.
Okay. They have these characteristic buildings, like these old, like warehouses. What would you call those?
Yeah.
If you know what I mean, yeah, for wheat that was traveling on the river. What is it called? But you know what I mean, right?
What are you talking about?
This type of building. It would store wheat in there, I think. Okay, let's go anyway.
It would be a warehouse.
Yeah, basically it is a warehouse, but it has a special name, I think. Just don't know what it is.
They have lots of them in Amsterdam.
Yeah, exactly. What the hell is it called? Well, this is the real museum. This is the real museum. This is the real museum.
It's Muzeum Okręgowe.
What does that mean?
Big dirt museum.
So Amelia just informed us that Bydgoszcz is known as the Amsterdam of Poland because of these canals. And we can see what she means. I wouldn't want to fall in. My great grandfather died in something like this. My great grandfather.
He died here?
Not here. In this type of water.
Oh, how did he do that?
Well, he fell off the boat, and he was wearing spurs
Oh,
for some reason.
he got stuck. And he was spurs in the boat? Did the boat go faster?
That's the story. You know how family stories are. But yeah, he was a veteran of the Boer War,
It's the Boer War.
1900, in South Africa.
Right.
And
He succumbed.
I guess he was in his uniform, that's why he was wearing spurs. Yeah. Oh, this is very picturesque. I haven't been over here, Mel. It's raining. It's raining.
Look, you can see on the water, it's raining.
Oh wow. We're gonna get wet. Head back, yeah? Just head back.
Good move.
Granary.
That's the
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Keep spraying. Got it. We just nipped in here, get a cup of coffee, and Amelia noticed some pictures that looked like I painted them. But I didn't. It wasn't me. Could have been. Okay, so we got serious rain going on here. So we're going to say goodbye for today. Thanks to Amelia and Lucas for the tour. And until next time, have a good one. Bye.